That's why, Pantong. Oh, your nose is bleeding, sabi. Just listen na lang. Right, Pantong? Are you still in Malaysia? No, I'm not Maashim. Who told you that? Who told you that I'm Maashim? Who told you? I think I'm not. Maybe who said that he is like he's like pinakurat. Huh? It's okay if I am Maashim. I don't like to be ano ba yun? I don't know. Your location is from Malaysia. I don't know. It showed that you are Armenia, and then Malaysia. I don't know. I just check your profile. Armenia, Malaysia, Philippines. Did you see that? Your location. You put that in your location. I don't know if you are in Malaysia. Do you play greedy? Do you play greedy? Phantom. Do you play greedy, Phantom? Are you playing greedy? ID number. Mickey. I think, Phantom, you know me. I don't know. Maybe you know me. Hi, Tuldog. Sino to? I don't know. I cannot read Chinese. Hi, Robin. Why are you asking if I play greedy? Nothing. I just want to know if you play. Maybe you are playing and then you have diamonds too. Maybe you want the gambling. Sometimes I do before. Yeah, before I do play. Okay. You wanna up here? Okay, you up.
Yeah. I think, do you know me?
What?
I think, do you know me? Why are you laughing?
Lola